you have had your experience in the movies. Junaid, this was the first film. What was he like, and was it a big deal that it's Amir Khan's son's debut opposite you?
Before becoming an actor, everything was like, I need to become an actor, I need to do this,
Yeah.
I need to do that. As soon as I got Arjun ready and I started like acting in films, I am just overjoyed with everything that these things don't cross my mind.
Yeah, true.
It's just that also, if you've met Junaid,
Yeah.
Junaid is such like he's kind of a
Normal,
nerd.
yeah.
He's a little awkward guy.
Yeah.
He has no air around him.
Right.
Nothing.
Yeah.
So he makes you feel that okay, mere nakhre to se zyada hai. You know?
Your character is super important in the film. It dies early on, but you think you made a really significant impact with that.
When I heard the narration,
Huh.
I genuinely enjoyed the
Okay,
narration.
okay.
This is the first time I danced in a film, right? So I was extremely excited that I would get to do
And a big
full
dance performance.
Yeah.
Finally, when you heard that the film is dropping today, it's coming out on Netflix.
Yeah.
Where were you? What was that like?
You know how it happened? So literally my manager said, oh, the film is out.
It's
So I was
okay,
like,
out.
So wahan pe apparently the court cases are
Yeah.
happening. They were like, okay, we're going to like let the
Yeah.
film, we need to greenlit this film, and it's out. And Junaid called me, it's out.
Yeah.
We all got to know like that.
Okay, after
Junaid's like,
you-
I'm hearing the court, all of that.
Wow.
He's like, it's right now, it's out. So
Out.
everybody got to know together.
Nice.
Hi, this is Shalini Pandey, and you're watching this interview on Bollywood Hangama.
Shalini, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Maharaj has hit the right note with the right people. I want to take you back because there's so much talk about this film. A lot of people now are saying, even I told you, that very brave film and very brave of all you youngsters to be a part of it.
Yeah.
Did you think this way?
Like as I said, I didn't. Honestly, we were, I could only speak for myself. I was just overjoyed to like sign something in the pandemic
Okay.
post Jayesh Bhai, because honestly, this happened. We started shooting post the second lockdown around that time.
Okay.
And so everybody around me were talking about, oh shit, we're going to lose 2 years of our lives.
Yeah.
Nobody's working. So I was just overjoyed
He
signing
signed that,
something.
yeah.
And also good script. Like
very
when
good
I
script.
when I heard it, I was like, oh, this is actually a great script.
Yeah, it is.
We all want to be a part of it. So everything happened later. I was just very happy because just Adi sir believing in me, telling me that you should do it.
Yeah.
And it's a film that we all believe in.
Right.
So I think that was all that was important at that time.
Right, and what did, your character is super important in the film. It dies early on, but I think you made a really significant impact with that.
If you say so.
What when you read that on paper, did it seem like a short role? Do these things cross your mind?
I'm also thinking because it was really
Long back.
Yeah. So when I heard the narration,
Huh.
I genuinely enjoyed the narration.
Okay.
And when I read it, I think I must have had some conversation, not regarding it's such a tiny role, not like that, but I think we were just discussing what the graph of the character would be.
Okay.
And honestly, I genuinely believed that Adi sir sat me down and he believes in me and he's telling me to do
That's
a
a
film.
big
So
deal.
I was like, I need to believe his
Yeah.
vision. And I'm very happy that I'm working. And also after this is the first time I danced in a film, right? So I was extremely excited that I would get to do
And a big
full
dance performance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there were so many things that I was excited about.
Correct. As a just as a woman doing this role is again, like something that will cross your mind.
Yeah.
The kind of what she's going through.
Yeah.
What this major, Maharaj is doing to her.
Yeah.
You are the one who played that role. What crosses your mind as a young girl to just know that these are the real things happen to girls in India right here? What crossed your mind when you were doing these scenes, these roles?
So when I read it, of course you think about it, you feel about it, right? And also I'm somebody who is very, very sensitive.
Okay.
That's why I stay away from new stuff. I don't go on Instagram that much. I don't read. I'm not saying that I get hurt very easily, but I'm very sensitive to things happening around. So I've stopped reading newspapers because things really bother me.
Okay.
So when I read it, I was like, oh, this, that. We discussed about it. But when I actually did that scene with the Maharaj, the Charan Seva scene, till the time I actually did it, I did not realize what
What it was.
impact it had on me, because I did the scene and suddenly I went out and I told my team I don't want to be in a closed room. I need time. I need some fresh air. I'm getting a little anxious. I told Sid sir. Jaideep obviously understood that this is happening with me, but I realized that when you feel it
Yeah, yeah,
is when you realized how bad this is,
yeah.
or what a person must be going through when they were going through this. And I too knew that this was bad, right? Some
yeah.
people go through it without knowing
Yeah,
that this is
without-
something
yeah,
that
true.
is not right. And that really made me anxious. That is when I had the impact that, oh God, this is something that
Yeah.
people go through, must have gone through,
Gone through.
still go through.
Still go through.
It's just something that crossed my mind then.
True. Then the film moves on to to Junaid's character
Yeah.
leaving you. You all were engaged. Again, these are the things that are not easy to play. What was what was that state of mind when literally this girl is going through everything bad that could happen to her?
Yeah. For me to also, because my ideologies obviously are very different.
Of course.
But playing that girl, playing Kishori, she's such a naive, sweet.
Yeah.
Initially when I read it, I was like, बेवकूफ है ये तो. But then I realized that बेवकूफ नहीं है.
बिल्कुल, yeah.
She doesn't know any better.
Conditioning
she
is
was
different,
conditioned
yeah.
so much that she believed everything she was doing. So when I started doing, and also we shot very linearly, my scenes with
Yeah.
Junaid and how the graph would be. And honestly, it when you feel and do it
My
and
God.
think about it, it shatters you.
It shatters.
Then you realize she was not stupid. It's just that I hope she knew that this was happening to her.
True.
Yeah.
I can't imagine. Now that the film has come out and
Yeah.
people have seen these particular scenes and this film, what do say women in your family tell you? Like, what are your friends saying? What would family tell you?
My friends, especially the closest friends that I have such 2-3 very close friends. I don't have many friends, but I have these 2-3 close friends, and we do talk about stuff.
Yeah.
About everything.
About everything.
And we have very strong opinions. And of course, they know, for all of us, it's disturbing, right?
It's disturbing, yeah.
To even believe that this still happens somewhere is disturbing.
Right.
It's just that we sit in Bombay in a progressive place,
True.
talk about we need to say this, we need to do that, but I don't know how many people are actually going through that. So just to empathize, sympathize with just the fact that this is happening, and to speak out loud and to
Yeah.
have your opinion as women, and to make it very clear in just every aspect that you
Correct.
are,
Absolutely.
is very important, is what I feel.
Very
And
important.
people around me are like that.
Nice. That's so good to know. You have had your experience in the movies. Junaid, this was the first film. What was he like, and was it a big deal that it's Amir Khan's son's debut opposite you?
I feel like why I have to say this is, before becoming an actor, everything was like, I need to become an actor, I need to do this, I need to do that. As soon as I got Arjun ready and I started acting in films, I'm just overjoyed with everything that these things don't cross my mind.
Yeah. True.
It's just that also, if you've met Junaid,
Yeah.
Junaid is such he's kind of a
normal-
nerd.
Yeah.
He's a little awkward guy.
Yeah.
He has no air around him.
Right.
Nothing.
Yeah.
So he makes you feel that, okay, mere nakhre to isse zyada hai. He's actually
Yeah.
such a chill human being.
Yeah,
So we started off much before we started shooting.
Correct.
So we started dancing and we started
Okay.
rehearsing for the dance. So we got to know each other before shooting for 2
Nice.
months.
Okay, that's
So
nice.
we became really good friends.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
You mentioned you keep your Instagram. You don't go that often. Is there a reason you don't follow anyone on Instagram? That's a very important question. I wanted to because I was wondering why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I recently, so many people ask me that why it seems so arrogant of you, but honestly,
No, not at all. Your wish, yeah.
yeah, but genuinely, there was one time where, when you go to Instagram, and as a woman, also, I just speaking from my personal
Correct.
this, when you're trying to prove yourself in the industry, trying to do this, and when you see the Instagram world, and you unconsciously, subconsciously start comparing yourself with people. And I am not somebody, I like to believe, I am not somebody who's extremely insecure I don't see the monitor because I think I've gotten that theater training where
Okay.
you don't get to see your work. You just
Right.
like do it,
Do
right?
it.
So I still am not in that habit of seeing the monitor, getting too conscious of myself. But then Instagram started disturbing me a little where it became a habit where I would go and like look at other profiles and look at people, whatever is coming on my feed. And random things would come on your feed, right?
Yeah.
And you can't control that.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm going to control it. I'm
Yeah,
going
so
to
just
unfollow
unfollow
everyone.
everyone.
I'm going to.
Has it
Because
worked for you?
it has.
Okay.
Because Instagram is also something that I earn money from Instagram.
Yeah, of course.
It is a
We-
profile for me. People come to see my, some of the people who follow me for my work are on Instagram. So I feel that is there. But if I can control it my way, in whatever way I can,
Right.
I tried doing that.
Nice. No, well done with that. Not
Yeah.
many youngsters would do that.
Yeah.
You know, was there when Maharaj was releasing, there was like first it went to the court, it was not releasing. All this while, as an actor, where were you? Were you upset with the fate of the film that it's not releasing? What was that time like when it was not out?
So when we did this film 3 years back, na, uske baad se to anyways, it's been really long.
Correct.
And all of us at this moment, and I can speak from on the behalf of all of us, are very relieved that it's at least coming out. Because also when the time when this court cases, these things were happening, I just knew that if I, also I'm this person that I feel that whatever is my control is something that I can control and I can worry about.
Right.
If something is not in my control, I don't think I should spend even one more day
Right.
worrying about that. There's so much else to do.
True.
I read a lot. I do a lot of other things. So if I keep worrying about something, then my whole day is wasted. And I believe that.
True.
So I realized, I wished and I prayed to God that may this happen for the best of
Everyone,
for everyone. And our work needs to come out because it's important for us to get more work and people to notice us. So in whatever way this is possible, may it happen that way. And I left it to that.
Nice, and it did have a good fate eventually.
Yeah.
You know, when finally when you heard that the film is dropping today, it's coming out on Netflix.
Yeah.
Where were you? What was that like?
You know how it happened? So literally our manager said, oh, the film is out.
It's
So I was
okay,
like,
out.
so wahan pe apparently the court cases are happening. They were like, okay, we're going to like let the film, we need to greenlit this film, and it's out. And Junaid called me, it's out.
Yeah.
We all got to know like that.
Okay, after
Junaid's like, I'm hearing the court, all of that.
Wow.
He's like, it's right now, it's out. So
Out.
everybody got to know together.
Nice.
And we're like, oh, finally. Like, sigh.
Right. You know, when you every time you do a film, you've been a part of significant important films. When you do a film, every actor wants something. You know, मेरे को इसमें से ये मिल जाए.
हाँ.
What did you want from Maharaj?
Actually, honestly, if I tell you very honestly,
Yes.
now that obviously when I've played the role, it has impacted me a certain way. When I was doing it, I was like, I'm so happy I get to wear like great clothes,
Yeah.
get to dance,
Yeah.
get to, like, just because before that I've done Jayesh Bhai, which was a very non-glamorous kind of a role.
Correct.
Arjun Reddy again is
Yeah.
something like that. So I was like, chalo, at least I'll have fun dancing, preparing for it. And then when I started doing it and when I started doing the scenes is when I realized how impactful it is to me and my personality. But I was just genuinely very happy. I was like, I'm going to take away, like I'm going to look good, I'm going to dance, I can give those expressions. I was just extremely happy thinking of that.
Right. I can imagine, Maharaj being an experience for everyone associated with it.
Yeah.
What are your takeaways? What all will you remember from doing this?
Just having such a great time on set.
With the
I
team?
think, which I said it also even after when I did Maharaj, when I was doing Maharaj, I told my few director friends or my teammates that it's one of the most happiest set to be on.
That's really something. Yeah.
At least whatever happens, okay, to this film. I had a great time. I learned so much from so many people, not just my co-actors, but so many people around, the technicians. I had a great time working with Rajeev sir, the one who shot our film. And he shot the film without any external lighting, just with diyas and mashals, and to just learn the science behind it. I was just overjoyed with all of that. So there's so many takeaways.
These are the things to remember once
Yeah.
everything is over.
Yeah.
Who gave you the best feedback? Who do you go to? Who do you like to listen to?
There's no one person,
Okay.
but I think I genuinely at this point like everyone aside, I genuinely go to my mom and ask her, "Do you like me?" Because she always loves me. Huh? So she's like, "Yeah, of course I liked you. You were so good. You were this, that," and then she'll tell you the slightest of details, and it's pure joy for me.
Right. Yeah.
Because those, like, my dad and mom were the people who I tried convincing
Mhm.
to be an actor, right?
Right.
And my dad was completely opposite it. My mom was like, maybe, may not be. But then when it happened, I see her being
Yeah.
very happy
Very
about
proud.
it. So
Wow.
that is something that.
That is one of the best things.
Yeah.
For all those who follow you on Instagram, where will they
I'm sorry,
see?
guys, I'm not
Yeah.
arrogant.
You're like,
And the problem is that if you follow one, you're like,
yeah, you can't follow one.
Follow nahi kiya,
Yeah.
so you can't follow your people also. Then
True.
you have to follow everyone.
True, true. If you go and follow some
Yeah.
other journalist, you don't follow me, I'll hold it against you.
I'm sure you will. Please don't do that. I'm not going to follow anyone. I'm not arrogant.
No, no. So tell me what are you working on? What did you work on after Maharaj? Where will we see you next?
So I have finished 2 projects. One is
Okay.
with Amazon.
Finished already.
Yeah. It is like Maharaj hui hai, and I think the very next year,
Okay.
I started the Amazon one that I did
Okay.
with Akshat Verma.
Okay.
So that's one project. Then I did one Excel ka show,
Wow.
Dabba Katul with Shabana ma'am.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that's
yeah.
something that I'm very excited about. So both done.
Both done.
Yeah.
Right. Before we wrap, is there every actor we ask this and we get a very typical list
Huh.
of filmmakers you want to work with. I don't want to ask you names of
हाँ, मत
filmmakers.
पूछो।
Yeah, नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. But what would you like? What kind of roles would you like to do? Maharaj was a great one, by the way. What would
Really?
you like to do?
Wow. Actually, at this point, to be honest with you, I'm just reading the script, and if I genuinely feel that, oh, I can have a discussion with my director about this and the
Okay.
graph, I go for it.
Wow. Okay.
I'm not even thinking at this point that I need to do an action film. I would love to do an action film because I genuinely think I'm very agile and fast and all of that.
Okay,
Genuinely,
yeah.
I feel that.
I think so. Yeah.
But I feel there's so much to explore. I recently saw Challengers and I was like, wow,
Wow,
there's
yeah.
something I would die to do.
Yeah.
So I am just, and also more than the films, I realize it depends on who you work with because
Right.
they make that either good or bad
Or
for
bad,
you,
yeah.
your experience,
Totally.
and someone who lets you fly as an actor. So I realized that when I was doing the Amazon project with Akshat,
Okay.
and I realized the way he let me fly as an actor, I understood certain things about me.
That's nice.
And that's
yeah.
very important when you work with the right kind of team and director. So that's important for me at this point.
Yeah, that is really important. Some directors just let you be and
Yeah.
some directors let you explore.
Yeah.
And there are those who will say, go by the book, every word.
Yeah.
Which one are you most comfortable with?
I think you have to work around with everyone,
right.
each their own way. But I think when I did the project with Akshat,
Yeah.
he's the kind of director that so he would let you fly, but मेरी ना आदत है that I would sometimes like go overboard with doing things and you like थोड़ा नीचे
थोड़ा
like
कम, थोड़ा
मीटर पे बैठा देता है वो. So
हाँ.
that's something that he will not judge you as a director. He will be like, do whatever, but I'm going to like set you in the meter.
Right.
And if you come and tell him that this is something that I feel now that I've played this character, I've been playing it for 15, 20 days, I think she might be, and maybe it is a huge change, but
Yeah.
he's ready to like talk about it. He's ready to actually do it also.
That's really good. That's
That's
so good to know.
amazing.
This is how it should be.
Yeah.
Total collaborative effort.
Yeah, because I feel as filmmaking is genuinely a very collaborative
yeah,
process.
yeah,
And not just of director, actor, I also
Everyone.
realized with your DOP, with
Yeah.
every technician, they all come together and make one project.
True.
Which I have not seen happening much,
Yeah.
but I did see it with the Amazon project.
Nice. Well done with Maharaj. So
Thank you.
I really hope even this takes you places.
Thank
and I'm
you.
so glad we did this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Shalini Pandey, and you're watching this interview on Bollywood Hangama.